Hey there, kitchen wizards. Welcome back to the channel. If you love cooking or just want to make your kitchen experience smoother and more enjoyable, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the top 10 kitchen tools you can find on Amazon that will transform your culinary game. Let's get started. Number 1. Imagine a way to effortlessly organize daily life right on the refrigerator door. The DIMAG 4 Pieces Magnetic Calendar for refrigerators offers a fantastic solution. This set includes a monthly calendar, a weekly planner, a dry erase calendar, and a whiteboard, all crafted from transparent acrylic. With the added bonus of 6 vibrant markers, all essential tools for planning the days are included. The high-quality acrylic construction ensures durability and easy cleaning, featuring smooth rounded edges for a sleek appearance. A strong magnetic backing securely attaches the calendar to any metal surface, eliminating worries about sliding or damaging the fridge. Those colorful markers write smoothly and dry quickly, leaving no smudges or ghosting, making cleanup as simple as wiping with a damp cloth. This magnetic calendar serves as a perfect tool for keeping track of important events, such as meetings, appointments, birthdays, and grocery lists. It provides a straightforward way to stay organized and manage schedules without any drilling or permanent changes to the kitchen. The ability to move it around as needed encourages a decluttered space, enhancing overall organization and productivity. Number 2. In the kitchen, there's nothing quite like the convenience of the Zuli Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. This premium quality tool is built to last, made from food-grade, rust-resistant materials that are sure to become a favorite kitchen gadget. With its clever design, this garlic and ginger mincer features built-in studs that extract more paste in just seconds, making it perfect for both home cooks and professionals. One of the best parts is how simple it is to use. No more worrying about that strong garlic odor lingering on hands or dealing with sticky residue. The ergonomic handle requires minimal effort, making it easy to peel, crush, and mince cloves all in one motion. The peels stay neatly in the chamber, leaving behind delicious garlic paste. Cleaning is effortless as well. Just rinse the garlic press under running water or pop it in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. It's recommended to rinse it right after use to prevent residual pulp from hardening. This versatile tool can also crush coriander seeds, cumin seeds, or even onions and nuts, making it a must-have accessory in any kitchen, ready for any recipe that calls for freshly cracked or coarsely ground ingredients. Number 3. In the kitchen, efficiency and versatility are key, and the Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer perfectly embodies both. This amazing gadget comes with 9 blades, including 2 chopper blades and 7 interchangeable options for slicing, julienne, grating, and shredding, along with a dedicated cucumber slicer and even a grape cutter. It's like having multiple kitchen tools in one compact device, making meal prep a breeze. With high-quality stainless steel blades, chopping onions, preparing peppers for salsa, or shredding an entire cabbage for coleslaw can be done in no time. No need to worry about mess or hassle either. The included food container helps keep the countertop clean, while the food holder secures small fruits and vegetables, preventing them from slipping during slicing. When it comes to cleanup, this chopper shines again. It dismantles easily and can be tossed right into the dishwasher, ensuring a quick, hassle-free clean. Plus, the complimentary scrubbing fork makes washing up even simpler. Its compact size means it can be stored almost anywhere, freeing up precious kitchen space. This vegetable chopper is truly a game-changing tool for anyone looking to simplify their cooking experience. Number 4. In the kitchen, having the right tools makes all the difference, and the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner is one of those must-have gadgets. This clever tool features a one-handed pump that allows for maximum drying with minimal effort. With just a simple press, the patented brake stops the basket immediately, ensuring that the greens are perfectly dried without any mess. For those who want to save space, the storage lock holds the pump flush with the lid, making it easy to stack and store when not in use. The non-skid base is fantastic, as it keeps the bowl stable while using it, preventing any slips or spills. The removable spinner basket doubles as a colander, making rinsing greens easy and efficient. One of the best features is the durable clear bowl, which can serve double duty as a storage or serving bowl. Whether preparing a fresh salad for a gathering or just washing some greens for a healthy meal, this salad spinner simplifies the process. Its thoughtful design not only enhances functionality, but also provides a sleek look in the kitchen. It's the perfect companion for salads, ensuring that every leaf is crisp and fresh. Number 5. In any kitchen, an accurate kitchen scale can be a game changer, and the Texity Food Kitchen Scale is an exceptional tool for making weighing effortless. It supports 5 different measurement units, including ounces, pounds, grams, and milliliters, so it's versatile enough for any recipe. The tare function is incredibly convenient, allowing for easy zeroing out of containers. Plus, it comes with 2 AAA batteries, making it hassle-free to operate right out of the box. With a capacity to weigh up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms in precise 1 gram increments, you can trust that ingredient measurements will be spot on every time. This scale is compact and sleek, fitting perfectly in most kitchens without taking up too much counter space, and can easily be stored in a cabinet when not in use. Cleaning is a breeze, too. Just a quick wipe down of the 304 food-grade stainless steel surface keeps it looking and functioning well. The backlit LCD features large fonts, making it super easy to read measurements at a glance. Whether baking, cooking, or portioning out ingredients for meal prep, this scale simplifies the process and enhances culinary precision in the kitchen. Number 6. In the kitchen, convenience is key, and the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Automatic Can Opener is a fantastic tool that makes opening cans a breeze. This electric can opener is designed to eliminate sharp lid edges, cutting along the side of the can for smooth, touchable lids. This feature allows the lid to be reused, which is perfect for storing leftover canned food in the refrigerator without any hassle. No more struggling with those messy pop-top lids. This automatic can opener effortlessly handles both pop-top and regular cans, providing a safe and clean way to access contents without any sharp edges. With its easy touch opening lever, it's incredibly simple to operate with just one hand. Just align the can and lightly press down the lever for a seamless experience. The thoughtful design of this can opener offers a better solution to a common kitchen challenge, making meal preparation faster and safer. It's perfect for anyone, especially those with limited hand strength. With this handy tool, there's no more worry about cuts or spills. Just smooth, easy openings every time, allowing for more enjoyable cooking and less kitchen frustration. Number 7. In the kitchen, having the right tools is essential, and the 15 pieces kitchen knife set with block self-sharpening is a fantastic addition for anyone who loves to cook. This high-quality set is crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust, making it perfect for frequent use. Included in this all-in-one set are a variety of knives designed for every cooking task. It features an 8-inch chef's knife, an 8-inch slicing knife, a 7-inch Santoka knife, an 8-inch serrated bread knife, a 5-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, and 6 4.5-inch serrated steak knives. There's even a kitchen shear and a knife block equipped with a built-in sharpener, so your knives are always ready to perform. These knives are precisely tuned for maximum sharpness, allowing for fast and efficient food prep. Cleanup is simple, as the entire knife set is dishwasher safe, making it easy to maintain. After washing, drying the knives ensures they are ready for easy storage without taking up much space. This knife set is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their culinary skills while enjoying the ease of everyday cooking. Number 8. In the kitchen, having reliable utensils is essential, and the Rivera bamboo wooden spoons for cooking offer both practicality and functionality. This 6-piece set is designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks, featuring contoured heads that provide precision for every cooking need. The smooth and comfortable handles make it easy to work with them, whether flipping omelets, stirring sauces, or mixing ingredients. This set includes slotted and solid wooden spatulas, as well as both solid and slotted wooden spoons. These tools are perfect for preparing delicious sauces, tasting soups, and serving food. The spoon fork adds versatility, making it suitable for sipping, eating, or serving, which means you can simplify your kitchen routine with just one set of utensils. Taking care of these beautiful bamboo utensils is a breeze. Simply wash them with warm, soapy water and wipe them clean. The durable bamboo material is moisture-resistant, so there's no need to worry about mold. With proper care, these utensils will provide years of dependable use. They not only make cooking more enjoyable, but also add a touch of natural beauty to the kitchen, making them an essential addition for any home cook. Number 9. For those who struggle with stubborn jars and lids, the OttStar jar opener is a true lifesaver. This versatile 6-in-1 tool features 8 different circular openings to accommodate small and medium-sized lids, making it incredibly convenient for various jar sizes. There's even a handy hook on top that can break the air tightness on larger lids and works perfectly for ring pull cans. Using this jar opener is so simple and effective. The long handle provides excellent leverage, while the rubber lining offers a firm grip on the lids. With its indentations, it ensures a non-slip hold, so getting off those stubborn lids is frustration-free and smooth. It's worth noting that a little grip strength is still needed, as it may slip if the lid is too tightly sealed. Both sides of the opener can be utilized for different sizes, so it's easy to find the perfect fit for each lid. It's compact and slim enough to fit into a kitchen drawer or hang on hooks for easy access. Made from high-quality food-grade materials, it's easy to clean, ensuring this handy tool remains in great condition for years to come. This jar opener truly makes life in the kitchen easier for everyone. Number 10. The Sweet Alice Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set is such a delightful addition to any kitchen. With its automatic operation, there's no need to press a button. Just flip the grinder upside down, and fresh ground spices will come pouring out. It's not only convenient, but it adds a fun twist to seasoning dishes. Each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries, so it's a good idea to have some on hand since they aren't included. What's really great about this set is the adjustable grinder feature. You can choose from various grinding levels, allowing you to go from coarse to fine based on your preference. The high-quality ceramic rotor ensures that spices are ground perfectly every time. This electric grinder is versatile too, suitable for pepper, salt, and other solid seasonings, making it a handy tool for the kitchen, restaurants, parties, and even outdoor picnics. The transparent acrylic bottom lets you see how much spice is left and makes it easy to distinguish between different spices. The gentle blue LED light illuminates the grinder, helping to see exactly how much salt or pepper is being added to dishes. It's an innovative and stylish way to elevate any meal,